Okay, Abdullah and Abida, how are you? Oh, really? Yesterday? Okay, yesterday actually, Abida, we missed you, right, Abdullah? And why you are watching too much TV is not good for your eyes, right? Sometimes you should play. She was busy. She was busy with the TV. Oh no, it's not good. Oh, that means nobody come to wake up you? Oh, it's really sad. Abdullah, why don't you go and walk her that, hey, wake up, let's go and play together. Did you say it? No, then this is your wrong. Say sorry to her. Okay, then what you want to play today?
All of the times.
All of the times you want to play?
Yeah, all of the times.
Oh, with all of the toys. That's you want to take off your shoes. But if you take off your shoes and if you go out of this carpet, your leg will be dirty. So do you want to make dirty? Then if you want to take off your shoes, you have to play inside on this carpet. What are you doing? You take off your shoes. Oh. Okay, you can play seesaw, both of you. Okay. Okay, you play. Okay, no problem. You can play and sing a song. Do you know any song? Okay. Okay. Also, I can jump. Do you know that? Also, your mom can jump.
Whenever you go, say Bismillah.
And whenever you are going up, you have to say Allahu Akbar. Okay, go up and say Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Now here, sit. And when you go down, what you have to say? Subhanallah. Okay. Your turn. Okay. Subhanallah. Oh, you want to play here? Slowly. Yee. Okay, Abida, can you say one rhymes? Any English rhymes? Which one you can remember? Because long time you are not going to the school. You may forget. I know so many rhymes, but can you remember any one of it? Only twinkle, twinkle. Okay, you can. No problem. Okay. Wow. Okay. Abdullah, can you say Baba Black Sheep? One for my master, one for my dame, and one for my little boy who lives down the lane. Wow, excellent, mashallah. অনেক কিছু পারো তোমরা। আচ্ছা, শোনো। ওকে, এখানে আসো। আর কোনো রাইমসের কথা মনে আছে? নো, ওইটা বলি তো, I love the sun. No, otherwise you can say which one? বলো তো? আমরা যখন হজে যাই, হজে যাওয়ার আগে যে আমরা একটা রাইম শিখি, সেটা কোনটা? আই অ্যাম আ প্লেন। কে বলতে পারবে? দুজন এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে সুন্দর করে সবাই দেখবে। সুন্দর, নো, একসাথে। ইয়েস। With wings so bright, waiting here to take a flight. Off to Makkah I will fly, sailing round up in the sky, sitting inside our Hajj is to be the house of Allah they wants to see. Very good, মাশাআল্লাহ, এক্সিলেন্ট, অনেক ভালো হয়েছে। আচ্ছা,
I love Muslim songs.
yes,
I love Muslim songs. I love it.
you love Muslim songs. That it should be.
I want to sing Hush My Baby.
Hush my baby.
I want to
Okay.
sing Hush My Baby on the treetop when the wind blows, cradle will fall when the bow breaks, then cradle will fall when the baby cradle on. Baby fall down.
Baby fall down.
And the cradle break.
Oh, very sad, very sad.
What are he, guys?
You want to hide yourself? Okay, Abida, can you looking for Abdullah? Where he hide himself?
Oh.
Can you find out? Where are you? We got Abdullah here.
Let's play hide and seek, Abdullah.
Okay.
Hide and seek.
Okay, hide and seek. Okay, here is hide and seek.
I'm gonna hide and he's gonna count.
No, you gonna count and Abdullah gonna hide.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Where I know, where I can. I'm gonna find Abdullah now.
You are gonna find out Abdullah.
Here. Here and here. I know.
Oh, we got him. Okay, okay, it is now Abdullah's turn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Are you? Do you want to play hide and seek? Oh,
No, I didn't say anything. I never ever said anything. He got you alone. He find you alone.
No, he go there. He didn't find me here.
Okay, lastly he got you. Okay. Lastly he find out, right?
Let's win.
Come here. Come here. Abdullah.
I'm just missing something. This is my favorite rock.
Okay, can you count backward counting? Like the backward counting, like from 20 to 0? 20 to 0? No, you forgot. Okay, 20. No, 20. 19.
20, 19, 18, 17, 18,
No, 17, 16.
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 10,
No, 12, 11.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0. Okay, now, no, Abida will say now from 20. Abida count it from 20. Say 20, 19, 18, 17, 15, then 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, but you have to learn it again because you forgot everything in this quarantine. Oh my god. Okay, you come. Abdullah and Abida, sit here. Now we will do, let's see that who can draw nicely a flower. A flower, only the flower. I need only the flower. Okay? Let's start now. We will start drawing a flower and also we will do the color. Okay, I want to see that which one will be the nice. Okay, I know both of you can do very nice, but let's try. Oh, your circle is very nice. So you already started. Abdullah, you can come near. Come near. Okay. I told you to just to draw some flower. Okay. The flower. I want to see. Which flower you want to draw, Abida? All of the flowers. Okay, Abdullah, which one you are drawing?
Sunflower.
Sunflower.
I love.
You love sunflower. Okay.
That is so nice. So much nice.
So much nice. Like you. No, you should not turn on the page because you should not waste the page. The one you use it, you can use it in another place, Baba. You should not waste the page like this. Allah doesn't like the people, those they are misuse the things.
How is my drawing, guys?
Wow, very nice. Okay, I want to show you one thing. Give it to me, Abdullah. I want to show you one thing that.
What?
Just give it to me. I will show you one thing. You want to draw sunflower. Sunflower. Oh my God, it's really nice. Give me the pencil or.
I have seen.
Oh. Okay, give it to me. This one. I will show you. Like the sunflower, you have to give. You are giving this one first, right? Right? Then what you will do? You will give like this. Look. Come on.
You.
Just see. I'm just showing. I'm not an artist, baby. I'm just like you.
I'm China too.
You don't want it?
Hey.
No, baby. You just learn from your mom. Like now, you have to give it like this. Okay, you can draw another page. No problem.
Can I draw another page? But I can. I don't know. Okay, I will draw rose.
Okay, baby. Let me finish this one. Here. Now you can give some dot of this color. This one. You don't want to draw this? Okay, which one you want to draw? You draw it here. Okay, you draw it here. Take it. No. The page is here empty. You have to use it on this page. No. Do it here. You are wasting the page. It's not good.
I don't deny there's some strange
Okay, do it.
evolutionary progress,
Okay, do it. No problem.
but mankind won't be destroyed. In fact, that you and I are working is evidence of that.
Wow, Abida is giving the multicolor flower. Wow, Abdullah, what a beautiful rose. Wow, it is rose, Abdullah?
Yes.
Oh. Nice flower, Abdullah. And this one, Abida? Grass flower. the grass. Sometime you can see multicolor of the flower in the small little grass, right? You don't know how to draw? Why, baby? You forgot everything because you long time you are not going to school. You are not practicing this all day. What you are doing? Only seeing TV, and you are watching TV all day. Oh, and your school is closed. Okay, but why don't you practice at home? Every you know everything.
My niece didn't.
Okay, are you doing your class at home by online class?
Yes, I forgot. I do all my things.
Okay, what's your friend's name? What's your friend's name?
My friends.
Okay, first Abida. Abida, can you tell me your friend's name? Your best friend?
Simran and Mahi. Just two best friends.
You have two best friends.
Yes.
You have only two best friends?
No, I forgot name, but Farah Fatima.
Also your best friend?
Yes.
Farafari also your best friend. Simrin your best friend.
And Mahi.
And Mahin. Mahin is your also best friend. Okay. Now Abdullah, tell me, who is your best friend?
Hamza.
Okay.
It's Muslim best friend. Hamza. And Ayan. And Saad.
Okay. And all your friends. You have more friends, but you forgot your name.
This is so best friend I ever know.
Who? Simrin.
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, you can say something for Simrin. You missed. Okay, Abida, say something for Simrin. Simrin will see this video.
I know that
Tell her what you want to say.
I am very tough,
You feel shy.
Yes.
but mankind won't be
Okay.
back.
Try to finish your coloring. Baba, hurry up. Drawing and coloring.
Hi, Hamza.
Wow. Do the deep color here. Some color. You looks nice.
My color is
Oh my God. Is the water is going there? It's in water jar. Okay.
and there is a sun, there is a water, there is some tree, and there is a flower. Tapos kung
You feel? You have finished your drawing?
Yes.
Okay.
Now
Off it. No, you have to arrange your everything. Make it nice. Where is your color box? Bring your color box. Keep it all in right place. You should not, when you finish your work, you should not just go like this, okay? Organize everything. Keep it nicely. Then you go. Are you angry?
just mix it. Wow, your one is so nice, Abida.
Abdullah, what are you doing in Abida's one? No.
Baju itu na? You are telling This is my first one. I made it.
This is your first drawing that you ever do. Hey, don't tell lie. In your classroom you used to do every week, right? But you forgot now. That's true. No problem, but it is very beautiful. Everybody will say Abida draw a flower very nicely. It's really, really beautiful. It's really, really beautiful.
I'm gonna try this flower next.
You'll see, everyone will tell. Yeah, your one is always nice, Abdullah. Of course, your one also good.
I don't deny it. Emily married Tata. But that's
Okay, Abdullah and Abida. Then this is all for today. সবাইকে বাই বাই করে দাও।
Bye bye.
টেক কেয়ার। বলো? No, I told you to tell them bye, take care, Allah Hafiz, see you on next video, right? Okay. And everybody don't forget to subscribe our channel. That's Mixed Twins. And if you like our video, please give like and support us. Okay? Then see you on the next video. Okay. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care.